Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at a problem that's come up with a few of these machines, in that this cylinder here, the hydraulics are sitting on the outside. And so if you're picking up big rocks or logs or big debris that's coming in here, it's smashing and damaging these lines. So what we're going to do today is we're going to spin that cylinder around and reconnect the lines, and then they should be protected while they're sitting in the back here. It's a free modification to do, so it's not going to cost you anything, and shouldn't take us too long either. So let's pull it in the shop and see how it goes. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to lower this boom down as far as it'll go, so that we've got the least amount of fluid left in it. We shouldn't lose a heck of a lot when we crack these nuts, but we're going to take these two fittings off here. There's a bolt on the other side of this pin. We're going to pull that out, tap it out. We're going to flip this over and slide the pin back through, and then reconnect these lines. Keeping in mind, in order to have the same configuration on your pilot controls, is that the one that's on the left side here will end up on the top other side. So I'm not really liking how this is coming around this position here, so I'm going to take this off. I'm going to feed it up underneath here and come back around. I think that's going to be a better fit for it. So there's one important pinch point right here. When this bar comes up, you got to make sure that as the boom comes forward, you're just going to check and make sure that this particular arm here isn't going to gouge into here. As you can see, I took a little bit of the material out here to actually make it have a bit of a relief there. Well, there you have it, guys. Not a super complicated mod. You know, a couple of bolts, a couple of fittings, but you do want to make sure, very important, that you've got that clearance on the other side for the actual hydraulic lines. Otherwise, you're going to have some serious issues over there. So other than that, if you've got any questions or comments, leave them down below, and we'll catch you next time. Cheers.